In order to revive the Toyota Camry that accompanied him for 560,000 kilometers, a man from Chengdu entrusted the Cheetah team with a costly renovation, transforming it from this to this. This is the condition of the car when it entered. Visibly, the headlights are yellowed and aged, the hood's paint is severely damaged, the body parts are loose and unstable, scratches from driving cover the entire car, and even a small gecko has taken residence in the taillight. Although the interior basically maintains the original factory configuration, after 500,000 kilometers of use, many parts of the interior are severely worn, and some areas are even covered with a patina. If it weren't for the deep attachment this gentleman from Chengdu has for this car, most people would probably choose to scrap it given its condition. Let's witness together how this Toyota Camry is given a second life.
Perform fine polishing on the car body.
The knee needs to be disassembled separately for special reasons.
Start polishing the corners and gaps.
Start spraying high concentration anti-scratch varnish.
The engine surface is covered with thick sludge.
The screw was stripped, even bringing out the threads.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Is the size of the opening consistent with the piston?
Entering the exterior assembly stage.
Implement zero margin inspection to ensure there is no risk of water leakage from the roof.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.